At home, you're used to a ceramic toilet, and ceramic is hygienic and easy to keep clean. But due to weight restrictions, most motorhomes and caravans have a Thetford cassette toilet on board made of plastic. But do you still want to bring that feeling of home into your motorhome or caravan? For that, we have the Thetford Twusch. The Twusch is a porcelain insert for every Thetford cassette toilet. It provides an extended lifespan for your toilet. It's scratch-resistant, hygienic and lightweight, as it weighs a maximum of 800 grams. How do you go about it? First of all, you give the toilet a really thorough clean. Then you select the Twusch that fits your toilet, because every Thetford cassette toilet has its own Twusch model. You'll need a bathroom sealant. You apply the sealant in 4 lines to the underside of your Twusch. You place it into the toilet. You press it down well and seal the top edge properly so that it's leak-proof. And once the sealant is dried properly, you can start using the toilet again. For more information, please visit Thetford.com.